Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna be trying out today the new Rare Beauty Luminous blushes. Do give the video a like if you do like it, and let's jump on into it. These blushes come in 6 different shades. I have them all here. These are the Soft Pinch Luminous Powder blushes. So they are supposed to be a combination between the highlight that she had, the beautiful mesmerizing highlight, but with blush. So a blush lighter, if you will. All the shades look so beautiful. These all retail for $26. Supposed to be a lightweight, glowy blush with buildable, seamless, and silky color to keep you beaming all day. That's exactly what we need right now. We're gonna go ahead and just swatch these off first. We're gonna start off with the shade Happy. This is the most popular shade. This was the one that just called my attention. Perfect, most gorgeous baby doll pink. Feels so buttery. I heard that these can break very easily, so just be very, very careful. So there we have the shade Happy. It looks stunning. And here we have the shade Cheer. This one's a little bit more on the peachy side. Ooh, so buttery. Look at how luminous that is. This is everything I needed right now in my life. So. And there is Cheer swatched. This one's a little bit lighter. Here is the shade Truth. It is a beautiful burgundy berry color. Feels just as soft as the other ones. Oof, that is a beautiful burgundy berry color. Here we have the shade Joy. Peachy golden color. Perfect for the summer. Oof, and it's definitely more on the warm coppery side. Let's go in with the shade Hope. So this one is more of a champagne-y, light mauve rosy color. And there goes the shade Hope, leaning more on the rosy side. Last one here, this one is the shade Love. Beautiful dark terracotta shade. And this one's definitely, I think, the darkest one of all. And there goes the beautiful shade Love. Gorgeous colors. Let's get these on the face because that's what's important. Let's start first with the shade Happy, my favorite one of all, which is the beautiful baby doll pink one. And we're just gonna go in with a Morphe E4 brush. And I don't have anything but foundation on. I have a little bit of powder, but I don't even have powder here. I just have literally foundation on. By the way, this foundation is a natural matte lightweight foundation, in case that makes a difference. I'm gonna go in. The pigment is there. Be careful, I'm scared of tapping it there, so I'm gonna tap it on my hand. With the shade Happy, and that's how it is applied literally like butter. And then add a little bit more. If you notice here, the reflex are just there. Very lightweight blush, definitely glowy, but it's not an overbearing kind of glowy. Glowy. See, it has just the beautiful highlight effect there. So it's perfect. It's a blush and a highlighter. I'm not gonna say that it's not accentuating anything. I mean, it's always going to accentuate something, but the glitters are not chunky at all. They're extremely finely milled. A little bit goes a long way. I just have to look how much comes out. So here you have the shade Happy. All right, up next, we're gonna go in with the shade Cheer, which is almost like Happy, but more on the peachy side and definitely a little bit more lighter. Perfect pigment pickup. Oof, this one's definitely lighter, more glowy. Do you see the reflex in there? Definitely leaning more on the peach side. The blush is applying gorgeously and just like skin. Yeah, I am freaking shook to how cute these blushes are. That beautiful reflect there, definitely glowy, like you can totally tell there's a gorgeous highlight on there. And here you have the shade Cheer. My face is taking such a beating right now. Up next is Joy. Gorgeous peachy bronzy color. This looks like the perfect summer blush. Gorgeous. Ooh, this shade is darker than the other two, but it's still blending in with like the most beautiful peach color for the summer. This is peach perfection right now. Ooh, child, this is pigmented. There you have the shade Joy. It is a stunning, perfectly peach, warm toned color with an undertone of gold in there. My skin rightfully so hates me right now. So we're gonna go in with the shade Hope next. This one is a little bit more on the rosy side. This one is so pretty for every day. Look how pretty that blended. It's like the perfect rose color. Just like perfectly light petal. Add a little bit more. And there you have the shade Hope. It is a beautiful petal rose color. That is stunning for every day, guys. Next is Truth. It's a beautiful dark berry burgundy color. I'm gonna try to be a little bit more careful with this one because it is darker. Ooh, that one's pigmented. Okay, that one's definitely pigmented, but I think it's a combination between how my skin is reacting. But this one is definitely, oh my God. It is so pigmented. You just gotta keep blending it out. Maybe I added too much. Looks a little patchy. Blend it out with the sponge. I have a wreck right now on my face. It is a beautiful color, but if you're light skin toned, go very, very easy on it and just a little bit at a time because I went in heavy with this one. I should have known better. But overall, it's still a very stunning, beautiful, dark, rosy color. I'm looking in the mirror and it just has the most perfect berry, coppery reflect. And it's definitely darker. Maybe not suitable for my skin tone, to be honest, but it's such a pretty color nonetheless. It's like perfect for the fall, actually. I don't know if I could see myself wearing this shade. Do you think it's too dark for me? I don't know. Maybe for the fall? What do you think? I think this will be perfect for people with like medium to darker skin tones. This one was a little bit harder to blend. And there you have it, the shade Truth. It's a beautiful, darker burgundy color. Has really nice, gorgeous reflex. I mean, I like it. Last but not least, my skin is like, thank you, God. So we're gonna go in with the last shade, which is the shade Love. Almost like Joy, but darker. So these two can compare to each other. This one here is the shade Love. It's darker than this one, definitely warmer. And that one is stunning. It is blending really beautifully. And there goes this side. Ooh. This is way too pigmented for me. Oh my God. Oh my God, what did I do? Anything could be fixed. That's my skin telling me right now, this is what you get for putting me through this. When in doubt, just pack it on. We're gonna try it again. Okay. Powdery mess here. And it's still, I'm just gonna try to like blend it up here. Okay, definitely not my favorite shade. I think a lot has to do with the foundation, how many times I've removed my foundation and put it on. So there you have the shade Love. Don't worry about this side, it's very patchy, but that's because of my shenanigans. Very nice warm tone, very pigmented. Out of all the shades, my favorite shade is Happy, and I love Hope. I think I could use this for every day. It is a perfect, beautiful petal color. And my third favorite shade is Joy, which is the beautiful peachy color. Final thoughts, I love the formula. They lay beautifully on the skin. They leave your skin feeling nice, radiant, and healthy. And they just give you the most beautiful glow that doesn't really accentuate your pores. You are gonna get a little bit of accentuation because that happens. Overall, highly recommend all of them. They are gorgeous shades. They're all just so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that you found it helpful, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.